Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the private collection image listing. To get to your private collection image listing, you're going from the About screen, you're going to use the left side navigation and click on Private Collection and then Images. And it will populate with all of the images that you have personally uploaded to the portal. To break down this image listing a little bit, you will see that there are blue outlined boxes, and when you click on them, the white boxes turn blue. This lets you select the image for an action button. Then there's the image thumbnail, the catalog that the image belongs to, the fish species that is associated or has been tagged to that image, the number of polygons that have been drawn in that image, the image status, the last time it was modified, and any metadata tags that have been tagged to the image. These three buttons here will let you view the history, edit, delete, or submit the individual image. The action buttons will be clickable once you have selected an image. You'll be able to edit the selected image, delete it, or submit it right away. You can tag the species, you can tag the metadata, you can also tag the copyright data, or you can move the image to a different catalog. You can view your image listing. Right now we are in list view, or you can view it as a gallery view. And gallery view shows an enlarged thumbnail with the fish species that has been tagged to the image underneath it. Hovering over the image shows this fish species, the status of the image, and the last modification to the image. The three little buttons, again, let you view the history, edit the image, delete the image, submit it. You can download the image or copy the image URL. Catalog view shows you the catalogs that you have created in your personal collection. There's My Images, and then there's Argentina. By clicking on the Argentina catalog, I can now choose what actions happen. It takes me back to list view, choose what actions happen based on the catalog that I have chosen. You can also change your catalog by coming up to the top and selecting the catalogs that you wish to view. You can view your images based on status. And you can show more filters to see images based on data that has been saved to your images, that you may have saved to your images. Metadata, fish traits, age, sex, spawning, if the fish is spawning or not. Spawning true would be that the fish is in spawning phase. Spawning false would be that the fish is not in spawning phase. Unknown would be that you're not sure if the fish is in spawning phase or not. You can search your image catalog by certain copyright data, when images were last updated, and you can search your catalog based on different species. These search functions can be very helpful, especially when you have a very large image listing. Here, there's only two, but if you've uploaded thousands of images, these additional filters can be very handy in knowing what images need to be edited next or submitted. Thank you for watching the private collection image listing tutorial.